Hello, in this video I want to show you how to manage display, sleep and timeout for Chuwi GemiBook. And to do this, first let's open our start and move to the settings. Then we can find the system on the left and we want to enter power and battery on the right. Inside, select the screen and sleep timer. You'll be able to change the on battery power turn off my screen after a certain amount of time that you can pick right here. The same is with when plugged in, turn off my screen after. And for the sleep, there's on battery power, put my device to sleep after. And when you plug the battery in, battery charger, you'll be able to also choose the certain amount of time for the sleep time. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.